Take the impressions. Taking the impressions is fast and simple. Let's walk through the easy steps on how to take your teeth impressions. First, make sure your teeth and hands are clean and free of debris. Second, get familiar with what is included in your kit. 2 sets of trays. 1 standard for the upper and lower jaw and 1 large for the upper and lower jaw. 2 putty mixture kits, base, blue putty, and catalyst, white putty. 1 user manual, 1 return envelope and label. Finally, make sure to select the correct tray by testing what size will fit you best. There are 2 sizes included in the kit, standard or medium and large. The standard size is labeled with an M, and the trays are marked in the back with the numbers 3 and 4. The large size is labeled with an L, and the trays are numbered with the numbers 1 and 2. Test which size fits best by placing it in your mouth and making sure that your tray fully covers all the teeth. Start with the standard size and move on to the large size if the standard does not cover all the teeth. Ensure it does not pinch the sides of your teeth and that there should be room to move it slightly. Once you are certain of the location and size of the tray, let's start with mixing the putty. Take 1 base blue putty and 1 catalyst white putty. Combine the 2 putties by mixing them together until the color is uniform. This process should take less than 30 seconds. Once fully mixed, roll the putty into a 5-inch cylinder and place it evenly in the tray. Next, place the tray with the putty inside your mouth, making sure to align the center of the tray with your teeth and the middle of the putty roll with the edge of your teeth. Bite down slowly and deep enough into the putty to fully capture your gum line, and gently apply pressure with fingers to fully sink your teeth down. Leave it there for 3 minutes and time it by using a timer. While waiting, make sure not to move or open your mouth as this will void the impression. After the 3 minutes have passed, slowly open your mouth and pull up or down to remove the tray. Rinse the impression with water and pat it dry with a towel. If the impression is correct, place all the impressions into the provided white envelope and mail it back to us. That's it. Once we receive your impressions, within 5 to 7 days, your personalized night guard will be delivered to your doorstep. Each guard is custom made for a perfect fit, ensuring maximum comfort and effectiveness. If adjustments are necessary, we'll work with you to make it just right. And remember, all of our dental night guards are 100% satisfaction guaranteed, crafted from high-quality materials to offer exceptional durability and comfort.